Hello guys! Magluto tayo ng tinola. So, andun na. Gigisa ko na yung bawang, sibuyas at luya. At saka, pinakuluan ko na rin yung buto-buto ng chicken. Kasi gusto namin, yung meat lang. Ayaw niya ng bones. So, ang ginagawa ko, bumili ko ng chicken breast. Pinapafili ko and then, i-boil ko yung buto-buto. You get the chicken there, the one that's cut there. Okay, so ito na. Ilalagay ko na yung chicken breast. Quickly. Oh, wait. So what? There's water. So ito na yung chicken breast. I'll just cut it into cubes or what do you call that? Basta cubes siya. Ayan. Can you get the patis there inside the cabinet? Down. Here. The patis. Patis, just open and look at the label of the bottle. It's called patis. And pinahawakan ko lang yung phone. No, it's a big one. That one is a fish sauce. Magulo ang aking kamay. So, I'm just like vlogging. Charot. So, ayan. Charot. So, ganyan. And then, nalagyan ko ng patis. And then, ilalagay ko yung soup galing sa chicken buto-buto. So, ilalagay ko na yung patis, guys. I don't know. Tansya-tansya lang ang ang paglagay. Depende kung I hope hindi ba hindi siya maalat. So, yan. Wait ko lang ng konti para ma-absorb nung chicken ang patis. Masarap sana bagoong kaso wala akong bagoong. So, patis ang gagamitin natin. Since madaling maluto to kasi nga chicken breast, ilalagay ko na rin yung papaya. Papaya. Mas gusto ko papaya kaysa sayote na ilalagay sa tinola. Kasi matagal maluto ang papaya, diba? So, ilalagay ko na rin siya. Yan. May sakit kasi yung alaga ko ng 2 weeks na. Ay, 2 days. 2 weeks. Meron siyang nagsusuka siya. May tummy bug. So, we need soup. She needs soup and rice. Ay, hindi pa pala ako nakaluto ng rice. Ilagay na natin tong chicken soup sa ating niluluto. Oh, gosh. So, yung isa kong kamay holding the thingy. Oh, huwag na kayong pumunta. Kaya natin lahat. Sayang yun. Yan. And then, pakuluin na natin. And then, yun lang. Ilagay na natin yung sili maya-maya. Charot. I-simmer ko lang siya. Small fire lang para hindi maubos yung soup niya. So, I think luto na. Let's check. Oh. Pinamihan ko ang soup para masarap maghigop-higop ang ating pasyente. I think luto na yung yung papaya. Ayoko na masyadong overcook. So, ayan. Ilagay ko na ang aking sili-sili. Diba? Lagyan natin ng sili. Para pampasarap ng tinola. Ayan. So, lutuin lang natin siya ng 1 minute, 2 minutes. And then, luto na. Pwede nang kumain ng ating pasyente. That's it, my tinola. So, ang ating soup, luto na. So, lagyan natin sa bowl. Kainin na natin si Maldita. Gusto niya to with rice. Chicken na bigay natin sa kanya. Saka soup. Hindi niya naman kakain yung dahon ng sili. Ako lang. Kainin niya lang yung soup at saka chicken yan. Ayaw din niya ng papaya. So, ako lahat kakain yan. So, I think that's enough na for her. So, let's give it to her na, okay, madam, come on. Kain ka na. It's her rice. So, ito yung pasyente ko. Ayan na naman. Naka-phone na naman.
What?
While she's eating. Batang TikTok. Okay, mainit pa yung kanyang rice. May sakit kasi siya. 2 days siya hindi pumasok sa school. She has a tummy bug.
The headache and a fever.
Now she said she's having a headache. It's maybe because too much watching. That's why you have that headache na.
I woke up with a headache actually.
So, kakain siya ng tinola. Hindi siya kumain ng lunch. Ay, ng breakfast, I mean.
I don't have an appetite. I
Wala
have
daw
an
siyang
appetite for
appetite.
lunch.
Kapag nagkakatami bag kasi siya, ang bilis niyang pumayat. Kasi nga, nagsusuka lang siya. Tapos, inaabot ng ilang days. Ewan ko, ganyan yung sakit niya since bata siya.
Okay, so what I do, I'm gonna do this now. So you have to make a hole in the rice and then fill it up with a lot of soup. Exactly.
Ang sarap ng rice na to. Yung mariposa ba to? Sa Japanese rice. Ang sarap niya.
10 out of 10. Actually, 9.9 out of 10.
Ang hirap mag-diet ng ng tanggalin ng rice kapag ganito kasarap yung rice.
You guys want to leave
You need to eat the chicken.
the chicken?
Yeah, you need chicken. Put it
Do
on
you
your
think I
plate.
can go to church still?
Of course, you can. You're not vomiting anymore.
Okay. I vomited.
You just stop watching on your phone. Sleep, have a rest, you know. So, to stop that headache. I think too much watching.
What's that?
Yes, that's the reason why you're having headache.
I've had a headache since I woke up.
Okay, try that. Stop watching. Maybe you can watch on the TV
Okay.
from time to time.
I'll watch on the TV.
You have to finish that. Gusto niya yung soup at saka rice. Masarap talaga yung rice at saka soup. So, gusto ko mag low carb, pero papaano? Yung mga tira-tira niya, ako nakain. Kasi dalawa lang naman kami.
Mommy,
So,
can we go to Mega Mall?
maybe on Sunday. We'll see.
But then, I don't want to go on Sunday.
So, hindi ko alam. Ang sarap. Gusto ko talaga mag-diet. Ang taba-taba ko na. Pero, paano nga? Dalawa lang kami. Pero ako yung taga-ubos ng kanin niya. Ng mga tira-tira niyang food. Ayoko naman magtapon ng food.
Mommy, can you not have this? Because you're on a diet?
Yeah. What did I say about the spoon?
It's so good. I'm trying to make you jealous. I want more soup.